How to sign never. Take your flat hand and draw a backwards S in the air. Never. 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 Okay, I hope that you never miss the opportunity to learn sign. We do have an online course. It's called Learn ASL in 60 Days. There are 2 parts to it. So go ahead and check it out at aslteachingresources.com. Click on the resource tab there, and then you'll see boxes and you can find the online courses. Go ahead and sign up today and start learning at your own pace to match your schedule, and you will learn so much just in even 30 days. Check it out. Also, now you're going to see a video clip, a short one, and I want you to be looking and catch the sign never while you watch. And you might want to turn like the volume down a little bit because of the river raging. It was pretty loud. So enjoy the next clip and watch it and catch the never sign.